a meditation to clear your energy field from any anxious thoughts, any vibrations that you picked up throughout the day that don't feel like they belong to you. Begin by finding a comfortable seat with your hips above your knees, either sitting on a bolster or even in a chair. And take whatever time you need to get comfortable so that as you begin to settle in, you can focus in on stillness. And we'll begin with a few clearing breaths. Big inhalation through the nose. And exhale, a sigh out the mouth. And 2 more. Inhaling. On this last one, let out any noise that comes with the exhalation. And we'll begin with a gentle round of fire breath. So this breath will be through the nose. Inhale through the nose, filling the belly. And then contract the belly in small pulses, breathing through the nose, exhaling consistently with the rhythm. If you feel lightheaded, you can slow down or find a normal breath. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, squeeze your pelvic floor and hold this energy in the crown of your head. And exhale out a sigh. And now begin to ground your awareness down through the base of your pelvic floor, legs, feet, and imagine as though you can root down all the way into the center core of the earth. Take a moment to get there, to travel through the layers in your mind. And when you reach the center core of the earth, imagine that you could hook in an anchor of your awareness to this slow, steady, and rhythmic pulse of the earth. And then with part of your energy body, maintaining this grounding into the earth, bring your awareness back up into your physical body. Let your awareness travel up your spine, all the way to the crown of your head. And then, like you could leave the crown of your head, imagine that you are traveling up as high and as expansive as your imagination will take you. See if you can sense a lifting, a growing, and an expanding. Imagine as though your energy and awareness can pass through different layers, different fields, and that you can begin to sense and feel a beautiful golden white light pulling you closer until you merge and feel this light of unconditional love. What would it feel like to be floating above the clouds, light, free, and filled with peace and love? See if you can sense a softening of the skin, a softening of the mind, a softening and opening of the heart. And from this place, imagine a sparkling body of water. See a beautiful waterfall pouring in this glistening liquid light. And imagine yourself stepping under this waterfall. Perfect temperature, perfect pressure. And trust that any cords that might be hooked to other people, to situations, and to anything that you came across in your day that you don't want to carry forward, are being washed clean. Imagine as though any hooks, any tethers, any connections that are not serving you are washed into the pool of unconditional love. And that any space that is left behind is filled with unconditional love, with acceptance, forgiveness, understanding, patience, humor, notice if there's anything that still feels like it's hooked or sticking to you. And trust and continue to surrender and let go to this infinite flow, this most powerful source of renewal, of cleansing, and when you feel ready, you can step out of this space. Notice how your body feels. Notice how your mind and heart feel. And then gently allow yourself to travel back down, back towards your own center, seated on the earth. Entering back through the crown, back through the senses. Traveling down to the root and feeling your base and the grounding down to the earth. And then resting your awareness into your heart. Noticing the quality of your heart. And choose to enter the rest of your day or evening with more freedom, with a strong sense of self, and with love in your heart.